Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana, and I'm gonna enter a challenge for the Holiday Cookie Diva, and it's a Mad for Plaid challenge. My dining room curtains are a red and white check. It's a darker red than this, but this is all I could find in our area because our Walmart got rid of all their craft stuff for like 4 years and then decided, hey, the craft stuff sells, and brings it back, but they didn't bring back much. So what I've done is I'm wanting to make a table runner. So I've got my material, and when I cut it, yes, it is the same width, but the patterns don't line up. So what I'm going to do is off-center it to where I can get the checks to line up, and I want it to go where it actually meets. So I'm going to match it up here. Help if I got my pins out. Alright, where did it go? There it is. I want to match those lines up the best I can right there. I'm going to pin it. And I know y'all won't need to see me pin the whole thing, but as you can see over here, there's a big difference. So all that will have to be cut off, and all this will have to be cut off. So once I get this pinned down, get this cut, I'll bring you back, because all I'm going to do is cut a straight line down through there. I'm going to cut a straight line down through here to where when I hem it, my hems will be even. I'll bring you back in just a minute. So I've got my seam there sewed up, as you can see. I took it to the ironing board. I flattened out my seam right through here because it helps it lay better. Now, really? Really? Get your tutu out of the way. Nope, don't bite me. So what I've done now is I've seen where I want my hemline, and I folded it down and I've pinned it. Now what I'm going to do is go to the ironing board and I'm going to press this down. So what am I going to do? If I'm not going to press it down, Miss Sheba, what am I going to do? You're not supposed to be on the table. You're really starting to upset me. Is that what you do at night when I'm not up? Oh, you're just going to go ignore me. Anyway, I'm going to take this to the ironing board and press it down. I've got both sides done. When I get these pressed down, I'll come back. I'll fold these to where I want them in the corners. Maybe you can see this. And then I'll pin it down and I'll press it down. Then once I get these ends pressed down, I will come back and I will fold it over one more time, just like so, and pin it all the way around and take it to the ironing board and press it again. Once I get that done, I'll take it over to my sewing machine and I will do a straight stitch all the way around it. So let me go get this pressed out and I'll be right back. Oh, you gonna attack me? Okay, now we've got it hemmed up, and of course the phone's gonna ring. Or not got it hemmed up, but we got it stinking on it, ironed for the hem's gonna be. Now we're gonna go around the whole thing, and it'll be hemmed up. I'll press it out, put it on the table, let you see what we got. Ready? Let's get this going. And yes, my sewing machine is very old. She's not wanting to do this morning. We're just going to do a straight stitch right around. Take that pin out. Stinking eye pulled right out from my finger. Alright, here we go. When I get to the corner, I leave the needle down, twist the fabric. And I gotta pinch my fabric. It'll be alright. Put it down, do the same way, all the way around it. When I get done, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, we're back. This is what the table runner, how it turned out to look. My iron went kaput on me, so I didn't get it all pressed out. As you can see, there's my seam. It goes down the middle of my table. I've got probably 6 inches of overhang on each side. Not exactly the straightest seamstress, but it works. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Love you each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye. And Sheba's gonna rub on the deal.